With the knife tool, you can make cuts that the loop cut isn't able to do, which makes it easy to make objects like this. To start, press K to activate the knife tool. Click where you want to create your cuts, and press Enter to finalize the cut. If you want to make the cut go all the way through the mesh, press K, then C, make your cut, press Enter, and you'll see that your cut has gone all the way through the geometry. You can use other objects to create cuts as well. Let's use these circle meshes. Go into Edit mode on the main object, hold down Control, and select the objects that you want to cut with. Move your viewport to the angle that you want to cut, go to the Mesh menu at the top of the viewport, and select Knife Project. If you want your cut to go all the way through the mesh, select Cut Through. Now you have geometry that you can work with. Try the knife tool out for yourself and have fun.